Good morning, dear students. I hope all of you are well and safe at home. So, students, as we have completed our four chapters the family similarities, our food, and our dresses. So, these chapters were about our basic needs. Family, food, and clothes are our requirements. Without all these, it's very difficult to live a life. So today we will read about the history of human being. And history of human being is started with the early man. And our today's topic is the early man. Early man means the ancient man. And now you would like to know who is early man. So students, early man was a man who had not any idea about time. He had not knowledge about the time, that he did not know what was hours, minutes, seconds, or it was 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, etc. Even he did not have record of their birthdays or holidays. He did not know the date of his birthday. Even he did not know about the Sunday, Monday, or January, February. Means he did not have knowledge about days, weeks, or years. But he felt about the seasons. He understood about the seasons and he knew that spring season will come after winter season. Students, early man means the ancient man was a food gatherer. Food gatherer. He always moved from one place to another place in search of food and water. Food gatherer means he always moved from one place to another place in search of food and water. You know what did he eat? He ate the animal's flesh, fruits, nuts, leaves, and roots of plants. At starting, he used stones for hunting, fishing, and digging the roots of plants. Slowly, he gave the shape and polished the stone tools and made improvement in the tools. Improvement means made them better for using. After that, he started to use tools made of bones of animals and ivory. Ivory means a substance resembling elephant tusk. At that time, it was used for hunting, and nowadays it is used for making ornaments. You know, students, spear was the most useful tool of early man. Look this picture of spear. This is spear. He threw this tool forcefully from a distance towards the animals and kill them. Students, the biggest discovery of ancient man was fire. Discovery means the act of finding something. So, when he discovered fire, it gave him warmth, it saved him from cold and wild animals. As sometimes wild animals attacked them, and now he was safe. Before the discovery of fire, the early man ate raw food. But after discovery of fire, he started cooking the food to make it soft and tasty. Students, firstly, early man was a hunter as he hunted the animals for food and was a food gatherer as he moved from one place to another place in search of food. But slowly, he became a food producer. Food producer means he started to grow food. Now he started to lead a settled life. Now, settled life means to stay at one place. Now he did not move from one place to another place. He started to lead a settled life close to land so that he grew grains there. So, dear students, today we will go till here, and rest of the chapter we will read in our next class. I am sending you a worksheet. Try to solve it, and at evening I will send you the solution of this worksheet. Thank you. Take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.